Street food in Thailand is so good. Pad Thai is probably the most famous dish, so let's make it. So hi there guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making Pad Thai. So first let's arrange all our condiments to make them look nice. So to start, let's soak half a packet of thick cut rice noodles. Then combine 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste, half a tablespoon of sriracha, 5 tablespoons of soy, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Then the juice of half a lemon, and give that a good mix. Then peel the skin of a Daikon radish, and then we're going to peel all the way through to the core. So we can chop this down really finely, aka chiffonade. And then thinly slice a red pepper, and half a white onion. Then on an angle slice up 1 stick of spring onion, 1 clove of garlic, and about 30 grams of ginger. Then dice up about 100 grams of tofu, and pick a nice bunch of coriander and give that a rough chop. Then roughly crush about 100 grams of peanuts. And finally dice up a good sized chicken breast and we're on to cooking this thing. In a pan, throw some olive oil and the onions and sweat them off slightly. Then throw in the garlic and then the chicken, and make sure to spread the chicken out so it cooks nice and evenly. Give it a good season with salt and pepper, and then shake it about like you think you're a pro. Add half the crushed peanuts, the ginger, and the sliced peppers. Give it another little toss, and add a little splash of the liquid so all of the ingredients get slightly coated. Then throw in some spring onions, and we can finally start adding our noodles. Take the noodles straight from the water into the pan, making sure to bring a little bit of that water with you because that'll help give the sauce a nice thick texture. Throw in some bean sprouts, the chopped daikon, and the tofu, and then pour in the rest of the liquid and give it a good mix round. Move the ingredients across to one side so you can see the bottom of the pan, and you want to crack an egg into the side of that, but start to fry it. You don't want to scramble it straight away. So let it form, and once it starts forming, break it up and mix it through the whole of the noodles. Then finally throw in some chopped coriander, and we're ready to plate. Using some tongs, get a nice big swirl and plop it in the middle of a plate. And then to finish this off, we're going to add some more peanuts, more daikon, more coriander, and then this bad boy is ready to try. You're going to have to be quick and eat this because your wife is going to stick her hand in and try and get it for herself. So if you like what you see here, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.